How to use Instagram Remix feature for Reels. First, you want to simply open the Instagram application, and inside the Instagram app, you want to go to your Reels tab over here. Inside your Reels tab, you want to simply select a reel that you want to remix with. After that, you want to simply tap on this sound icon over here. By doing so, you'll be able to see an option called Remix and Sequence over here. You want to simply tap on Remix and Sequence. After that, you want to simply tap on this Remix option over here. And if you want to remix with your original video, you'll be able to do that over here as well. And if you want to add your sequence, you want to simply tap on here as well. For that, you want to tap on Got It over here, record your video over here, select the part that you want to add to your video, and tap on Next. After that, you'll be able to record your video over here as well, and tap on Next again. By doing so, you'd be able to select your video. By doing so, you'd be able to see both of the video at the same place. You would have successfully sequenced a video. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.